Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, ever since I turned 30, which was not recently by the way, it was 3 years back, I noticed massive changes in my body. Changes like feeling tired and fatigue, feeling low on energy throughout the day, and also unexplained body aches. Now, because of all of this, I would miss out on a lot of things in a day, and my days would go really unproductive because either I would skip a workout session, or I would miss out on a lot of work tasks, or I would just make lame excuses to my friends or family for get togethers just because I was not able to do so much so in a day. Now, tell me something, are you also someone who's feeling same at the moment? It is because of nutritional deficiencies, because our nutritional requirements are not getting met through the dietary intake on a daily basis. Anyway, going back to the story, so because I felt that I have to run two businesses, I have to be able to hit the gym, be able to meet my friends and family over weekends or sudden plans during evenings. I need to be able to do all of this. So I consulted my doctor. So my doctor explained me one thing very clearly, that a woman's body goes through tons of physical and hormonal changes throughout her life, which is why it is very important for us to focus on consuming a good multivitamin on a daily basis, because these multivitamins kind of compensate on the essential nutrients which are lost because of hormonal imbalances, and that they cannot be met through the daily diets that you're consuming. So without wasting any time, my doctor suggested that I should start consuming the HK Vitals Multivitamin Plus Women. It is a potent multivitamin for women's health and beauty needs. Now, these multivitamins meet 100% daily requirements of 21 essential vitamins and minerals for improved energy levels. This multivitamin includes calcium because the bone density in a woman's body starts to deplete after more or less 20s. Apart from calcium, it also has hyaluronic acid and veg collagen, which is extremely essential for healthy skin, tough hair, and also for brittle, soft nails. So I'll be very honest, I have tried other multivitamins in the market which are available, but to be honest, they do not have this amount of nutrients. Like, they do have collagen and hyaluronic acid, but not appropriate enough to meet your daily requirement. And also, there is no other brand in the market which has veg collagen. The fact that this particular multivitamin has the perfect percentage of nutrients in it, which will contribute to healthier skin and stronger hair. The fact that this particular multivitamin has the perfect percentage of nutrients in it, which will contribute to healthier skin and stronger hair. Also, HK Vitals has its own R&D team, which is trusted by thousands of consumers. Apart from all this, I have realized that I can notice there is such a raise in terms of my energy levels. It has also improved my moods, and definitely a huge transition in terms of my skin, my hair, my nails. But also, I feel that the unexplained body aches have gone, and there's a major decrease in terms of feeling tired or fatigue. Just taking one tablet on an everyday basis but regularly can be the solution literally to all your lifestyle issues. I'll be very honest with you. Everyone around me, my family, my friends, even the people who are younger to me, they keep on asking me as to how am I able to do so much in a day? What is the secret behind my energy levels, my mood, which is touch wood usually good and happy. So they all keep on asking me. So I've told everyone about my secret, which is no more a secret anymore. In my opinion, summing it up, consuming the HK Vitals multivitamin along with having a good diet and working out is the best way to achieve good health. I will have the link of this in the description box below, so definitely have a look and check it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye!